And now to matters of the heart and a Warren woman's massive medical emergency. The former Youngstown news anchor always asked all the right questions, except when it came down to her own health.
Well, new tonight, Good Morning Cleveland anchor Katie Houston explains she doesn't want you to make the same mistake.
Every breath reminds Susan DeLeo
normally you die from that.
How grateful she is to be alive.
So do you feel like you got a second chance in life?
Yes.
In December 2017, Susan suffered an aortic dissection. Basically, she blew out the biggest blood vessel in the body. She underwent emergency open heart surgery at the Cleveland Clinic.
20 or 30% of the people who have an aortic dissection don't even make it to the hospital.
Dr. Stephanie Mick is Susan's heart surgeon.
The very most common thing people would feel would be a very severe chest pain.
According to the CDC's most recent numbers, aortic dissection kills nearly 10,000 Americans a year. It's more common in men. Actors Alan Thicke and John Ritter died of aortic dissection. But Susan was a 58-year-old woman who was the picture of health, or so she thought.
We as women always want to take care of everyone else.
Hindsight is 2020, and Susan says all the signs were there. She had erratic blood pressure. She was caring for her ailing husband and working nonstop. She also only later learned of another big red flag: family history.
The problem with blood pressure, high blood pressure, is it doesn't feel like anything, and you feel fine. You know, that's why they call it the silent killer. That's really actually a good name for it, because you don't feel anything bad with hypertension, but what you end up feeling is the effects downstream of the hypertension.
Dr. Mick says know your numbers and get regular checkups. Susan now takes blood pressure medication and is working to lower the stress in her life as well.
I'm here today alive to tell you and tell your viewers, listen to that little voice in the back of your head that's saying something's not right.
In Cleveland, Katie Houston, News 5.